Hey, Eric here, and in this video I wanted to do an updated pricing for decking materials because as I'm making this video, it's spring of 2021. Decking materials are crazy. If you've watched my previous video that's really walking through everything you need to know, you can see this spreadsheet that I've altered a little bit, and I'm going to explain how you can use this spreadsheet still to figure out more of what the decking costs are today. So you can notice that I have highlighted three different decking materials from Trex. And the reason I did that is this spreadsheet, and there'll be a link for this in the description of the previous video along with this video, because I started to write up like a modified description trying to explain decking, but I was like, you know what, a video will be a lot easier. So what you can do is there's a link in the description, and it's going to take you to the deck comp sheet. It's actually going to forward you to this calculator on Trex. So the reason this is helpful is they can actually get into all of your deck dimensions and things that you need to be aware of, railings, substructure, etc., and then it'll calculate your results. The reason that this is helpful is that with Trex, they're actually updating this based on current deck pricing and things like that. So if decking is just fluctuating like crazy, what you'll end up getting though is this kind of estimate. So you can see this deck estimate has a good, better, best, and this was based on the 770 square feet. I said I didn't need railings and I have an existing substructure. It'll be different for you. But what you can do with this is you can look at the good, better, best, and then from that you can look back at this sheet here. So let's say that you were interested actually in this TimberTech Pro Legacy Composite. When I made this spreadsheet in the fall of 2020, that was pretty darn close in price to the Trex Transcend Composite, which is actually their best version. So then what you have here is this is going to cost about $8,500. Maybe you could up it just a little bit because the materials that you have traditionally are a little bit more expensive, but you know you're going to be in that $8,500 range. Same thing is true if you were looking at, you know, this Advantage Lumber Tigerwood wood, which was pretty close to pricing in the Trex here. Again, you could just say, okay, that was kind of the middle tier orange. I might be looking around $5,900 for my project in total. So yes, what I would do is again use this image, which I will have a screenshot of. I'll try and share it as a Google Sheet. Some people have trouble with Google Sheets. You won't be able to make a copy or request a copy or anything, but you'll at least be able to see all the information here on the master sheet, which is at the bottom here, and then you can use the deck Trex calculator to then figure out, you know, what your total project is going to be if you go with Trex materials or comparing it to other materials. Hopefully that made sense and clarifies some of this for people, because I know it's confusing. It's very difficult. I've yet to even find a contractor willing to do the project because they're all booked up so much. But I hope you guys can get your deck project rolling. And again, thank you for using my link. It's not an affiliate link in the description here, but what I'm doing is I'm actually tagging that link and sending it to Trex so they can see where the traffic's coming from, and hopefully maybe I'll be able to get a free deck from doing all of this, you know, research and everything that I've done for you guys on YouTube here. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.